Arrow 1.1 brings its full potential when it's used in a workflow in FLORA. Together with LLMs and image models, it creates powerful systems for logo ideation, fashion design, and much more. Here are some powerful use cases. Let's first take a look at logo design. Describe the type of logo you want in a text node. And visualize it with our newest image model, GPT Image 2. Connect that to another image node and set it to Arrow 1.1 references, and vectorize it. Arrow 1.1 can make a vector image from scratch, but also can take a reference image to modify it. You can also start with images to create your logo. Gather some images to use as a mood board, and connect them to a text node, and describe the style of the logo that you want. Connect it to an image node and set it to Arrow 1.1. Edit the output by connecting another image node and setting it to Arrow 1.1 references. Describe the changes with plain text. Take the output and make a landing page design. First connect it to a text node and ask for a prompt that can follow the art direction of the logo. Plug that into an image node with the logo image together and generate a landing page mockup. Use Arrow 1.1 for fashion design. Ask for a prompt of the item you want to make and plug in a reference image for the color. Connect it to Arrow 1.1 and generate a full diagram in vector image. Make technical drawings by providing a reference image. This time make a jacket in the form of a technical diagram. Try coloring the jacket by connecting it to another text node and providing a color reference. Connect to Arrow 1.1 references to create a colored version. Make an icon sheet using visual inspiration. Let's create some icons using the Macintosh computer. Use a text node to create the prompt. And use NanoBanana 2 to visualize it first. Use another text node to convert this to an icon sheet using a color reference. Connect the previous output and the prompt together to Arrow 1.1 references. Arrow 1.1 Max will give you a more detailed image with improved clarity. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.